Hey guys, what's up? And today we'll be unboxing a poster that I ordered from Amazon recently. So let's start the unboxing. So guys, as you can see here, the packaging is really well. Amazon has put a lid on the top so that if you want to take out the poster and put it back in and you're not using it. So let's take out the poster, guys. So here comes the poster. So it looks a bit grainy and rough over here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. So it's wrapped around with a rubber band. So let's open it. Oh, so guys, I'm not really happy with the packaging. As you can see here, there are a few cracks in the poster, and it's slightly damaged over here. As you can see, there's also like a crease over here too. And here, I'm not sure if you can see on the camera, it's not that clear. So it's a pretty cool poster. It says warning, no stupid people beyond this point. You can put it probably on your wall in your room or in front of your door. So guys, I can't really complain about the damage that I got from this poster, but what is actually for 400 bucks, I actually got it off for 100 bucks on Amazon. So this is a cool thing, and if you want a cheap poster that looks cool, you probably should go for this. And folks, that's all for today. And subscribe, smash the like button and click on the bell icon to be notified so that you know when I upload my next video. And please subscribe and share. Thanks. Bye.